everyone. So today I'm going to share some of my palette knife painting techniques, and for this I have cobalt blue here and white. So today we are going to mix this color and blend it on the canvas and make a good sky and maybe a mountain too. So I'll share everything that I know. So let's get started. First, we are going to make three tones of blue. Let's use this as is it is. So yeah, when I pick up my color, see, I put it 45-degree, my knife, and then just pull it, or like this, see. So I keep it here and then mix it. It doesn't matter how you mix the color, it's up to you. So sometimes when the color is very thick, I just dip my palette knife on water and then again mix it. So see, I'm not still satisfied, so I'll dip my palette knife on the water. Okay, now this is our one tone for now, right? So let's make another tone. See, this is how you clean it. Back like this, just pull it, right? So let's pull some color, right? Take blue. See, this is how I take it. And yeah, let's take some white as well. See, I just took it like this at 45-degree and then picked it. So now I'm mixing. As usual, I'm again dipping my palette knife in the water. Okay, now that's good, I guess. Okay, let's give one more tone, very light tone here. And yeah, see, it's not very hard. You just need little bit practice for this. So most of the time I use this pointy palette knife because it is very easy, like to make mountain with this. All this pointy, it gives so sharp edges, So yeah, we have three tones here. Then let's get it on canvas. You always know, I guess, while using palette knife you need more colors than while using brush. So this is how I mix, see. Okay, now put your palette knife at 45-degree and press it, see, press it, and then just pull it. And yeah, see, I have all the colors at the edge of this palette knife, right? So with this I'm just gonna put it like this, and yeah, see, and we'll fill this whole canvas in this way, see. So yeah, see, I'm just filling it with this color. Just I'm putting this palette knife, I'm not pressing it very flat, I'm just keeping it like this, see. So you do it slowly, right? And that's good for now. So yeah, now let's use our another color that we have, that is second tone. Okay, this is our second tone. So I'm picking it again like this, see, at 45-degree, and then there's a thick color there, and then just pulling it here, see. And this is how I'll teach you how to blend with palette knife as well, see. Okay, sometimes some people, like many artists, they keep wiping this palette knife, but yeah, if you are using only this two tone and blending here, I guess you don't need to keep wiping this palette knife on cloth or paper towel. or whatever. See, with this color is also wet and this is also wet. You have to be very careful, you know. The color should be wet if you wanna blend it, or you have to make many tones if it is dried. So see, I'm just pulling it one way, two ways. Okay, see, you see this nice blend here. Yeah, and this is how we blend it. See, okay, so we already have two colors blended there, two tones. Now I'm using the third tone, and again this way. See, 45 degree, press it, 45 degree, press it, pull it, pick it, right? And then see, apply it. So if it is here, I take it like this, pull it, make it very long, and then again pick it at 45 degree. See, now just here and there. Don't put it very flat, your knife, don't put it very flat. And you know, when you are using knife, there will always be some textures like this simple, you know, lines. But yeah, this is the good effect and charm of using palette knife, right? So now see, for mountain I'll use little red, and this is my color bottle. So I'll just pick it like this and put it here this way. And this is how I take out colors with my palette knife. Those who follow me, they have seen me painting mountains so many times, but this time I'm sharing the real technique, how I do it. Now see, again I'm taking little red here and maybe cobalt blue this way. See, I just pick it like this, see, and then put it here, mix it. See, I'll show it very slowly. I need more blue, right? Maybe more, and then see, this is how I mix, right? Okay, this time I'll make maybe 2-3 tones, or let's see, maybe a little red and little this mid-tone blue, and then mix it for the light part that we'll have in our mountain. So yeah, see, I hope you got the technique of how I mix it, right? So now see how I make the mountain with the palette knife. See, everyone, you keep asking me how I make it, how I do it. So yeah, if you want all this technique videos, please comment below, and what type of technique you want to see it, what you want to see it, right? So I'll make the video on that. So okay, see, 45 degree, you have color here at the edge of the knife, right? This time I'm not taking very much because we already, like for the sky we had to use so many colors, so I took very thick lines, right? Now it's very thin. Okay, I'll just have a random shape mountain, right? See, with this 40, not even 45 degrees degree, just tilt it, right? Don't press it, don't make it flat, just tilt it and then pull it. See, what kind of shape you want, just pull it. See, I haven't put my palette knife flat, and just very lightly, okay, very lightly, because this color is not dry yet, so I'm doing it very lightly, because see, very lightly pull it. You know, this all this small effect while making snow will give very good look to our painting. So yeah, for now let's just cover it. I'll just make a very simple mountain. Okay, see, if I want to like only this much part, I'll just use this much part of this palette knife, See, now I want this whole thing, right? So I'll touch with all this part on my canvas and pull it. And see, it's not that hard if you practice a bit. So just pull it one way. I hope you are enjoying it. See, now maybe let's make one more tone here, little tone with white. See, actually this is my speed, and every time I keep working this way, but yeah, I'll show you in slow version as well. Okay, see, this time I need the shade part of the mountain, and we'll have very little light colors. So I'll take, see, all these colors are here. You do it like this, you make a line, and then with this you pick it up. Okay, now sometimes I'll just tap it, right? See, sometimes very lightly. Okay, this time very lightly. Don't press your knife very hard. And then sometimes I pull just like this. See, I told about this little effect, right? See, this little thing, all this white, this will give a very good look to our mountain. See, maybe a little one here, right? Yeah, so yeah, just leave it like this, maybe. Yeah, this is totally good. Okay, now this color, see, I'm using this one, and then see, it's here. I use very sometimes I use this way, sometimes I use this way, but the color will be on always this side, my color. But if you are used to it, you can use it from this side as well. So yeah, just pull it or tap it. If you want the small lines, you just tap it very lightly. Yeah, see, and again, see here, I want this big thing here, just pull it. Don't press your knife very flat. I'm repeating it again and again because it's very important. Just like this, okay, just like this, not like this. Okay, I think, see, this gives very good look. Maybe I can add more light tone there, little white and red I'm mixing here, right? And with this again, see, I'm picking it, and then this time I want, see, very careful while making mountain, this time I want this light color to be lesser than this dark color. See, I'm not using it very much. Yeah, see, only in some places where you want all those good highlights. Okay, see, this is nice. Now I'm going to add little snow, but most of the time I add it when it's completely dry. Yeah, see, this is how I clean my palette. See, on other side, while taking colors for the canvas, it will be at back side, and while pulling colors from palette to clean it, it will be from front side. See, okay, I'm cleaning it, and then I'm using very direct white. Now again at the edge of your palette knife, and then you just give it somewhere very lightly, very lightly, because this color is not fully dry and it will come on the palette knife, so you need to use it very lightly, don't press it very hard. Okay, yeah, so this is our simple mountain for today. you know if you want to see more advanced mountains, you can check my channel, right? But for now, I'm just teaching all these techniques, so yeah, this is not so important. Okay, now let's make, blend this color here, right? Little mist that we can add in the painting. So yeah, with the palette knife, I'm just, see, this time I'm pressing very hard because I want to pull all the colors so that I can blend it, right? See, I'm pulling it from the top, only this much part I'm using here. See, yeah, maybe this side, if the color is dry, like I said while doing sky, we can add another tone, similar tone, right? Okay, see, it's already half blended till now, just pulling colors, right? Not very hard if you know the technique. Now I'm taking the white, and then see, I'm just trying whatever color you want. If you want some blue in the mist, just mix it and take it and use it here. But this time you are gonna try to do it very softly, because mist, they are always very soft. See what kind of mist you want. If you want this way, just do it. If you want flat, you do it that way. You just need to make your hand comfortable and rotate it how you want it. See, I hope you are enjoying this technique video. Okay, as I told you, palette knife, you'll always have some rough textures, so it doesn't matter if it is just like this. Yeah, see, if I want more white in the mist, I can add it and blend it, right? Yeah, so yeah, I think our mist is done, right? Nice and good. So I think I hope you got all idea about how I use my palette knife. So today I showed you how to blend, how to make a sky with palette knife, how to mix, how to pick up the color, right? Everything. Now in the next video I'll continue this same painting and make distant trees and many more, or maybe hills. What you want to see in this painting, you just comment below, and yeah, I'll do it, sure. And yeah, if you want more videos like this, please like, comment and subscribe my channel, right? And please comment what you want to see in my video, what kind of techniques you want to learn, and everything. Feel free to comment. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye, take care.